Today in this video I will show you how to install Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. So double tap the Oracle VM and open it. Go to the new section and input name like Kali testing and choose the type, find Linux, version Debian 64-bit. Next, increase some RAM, 2 GB is enough. Here select the hard drive path, increase hard disk size 20 GB, 30 GB. Go to setting and find storage. Here we find control IDE, it's empty. Here we find the Kali Linux ISO file and add Kali Linux, choose OK. Here we increase some video memory 50 GB, 50 MB. OK, system all perfect. OK, and now click to start button. It will take some time. And name Subir, first name here Subir, continue, domain name Subir. Set up user and password, put your password. Go to entire disk and set up LVM. Continue. Continue. Yes. Continue. Continue. Yes. Installing the system. Wait for few minutes. It's done. Here click enter. First time need some times. Okay, it is perfect. Here enter your username or password. It is ready for work. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.